ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్ ఫర్ ది సక్సెస్. సో ఆ సిచ్యువేషన్స్ అని దాటుకుని ఇక్కడికి వచ్చాక మీ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఇక్కడ ఎలా ఉంది అంటే ఇక్కడ మీరు చాలా మీరు ప్రొవైడ్ చేసిన ట్రైనింగ్ కానీ వాళ్ళు ఫెసిలిటీస్ కానీ హ్యుండై వాళ్ళతో కంబైన్డ్గా చేసి ఇంత ఇది కార్యక్రమం అన్నీ చేసినందుకు మీకు ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఎలా ఉందనేది కొంచెం షేర్ చేసుకోండి. ఎవరైనా పర్లేదు, బట్ ఏదైనా మీరు ఇంకా అది కాకుండా కానీ మీ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ కానీ మీ ఫ్యామిలీ సిచ్యువేషన్స్ నుంచి ఎలా మీరు ఫైట్ చేసి వచ్చారు కానీ అలా ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ షేర్ చేసుకున్నా పర్లేదు. సో దట్ మీరు మీ ఫర్దర్ కెరియర్లో మీరు గ్రోత్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది, ఇలా చేసుకుందాం అనుకున్నారు, లేకపోతే ఇంతకుముందు లేదు ఇప్పుడు ఇలా ఉంది మాది ఇలా చేసుకోవాలనుకుంటున్నాం అంటే మీరు ఖచ్చితంగా షేర్ చేసుకుంటే చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉంటుంది.
ట్రైనింగ్ తీసుకోవడానికి వచ్చాను, అది మా ఫ్రెండ్ ద్వారా వచ్చాను ఇక్కడికి. అంటే నేను సెకండ్ ఇయర్ అయిపోయాక నేను ప్రైవేట్ డిగ్రీ కాలేజ్లో జాయిన్ అయ్యాను, ఆంధ్ర కాలేజ్లో. ఇంకా కోవిడ్ సిచ్యువేషన్లో చేసి కాలేజ్ ఫీజు ఎగ్జామ్ ఫీజు కలిపేసి 28 దాకా చెప్పారు. ఇంకా టైంలో సింగిల్ పేరెంట్
Myself Sumaya, I hope you all are doing great in the ceremony. Let me give a small introduction about People Tree Foundation. People Tree Foundation works at a national level, currently benefiting more than 1 lakh underprivileged youth and women through large number of training centers across India and other projects through initiatives in vocational
supporting their family. అదే సార్ ఇప్పుడు కొడుకులాగానే మీరు ఇప్పుడు మీ ఫ్యామిలీలో సపోర్ట్ చేస్తున్నట్టే కదా, మీ ముగ్గురు సిస్టర్స్ పెళ్ళి అయిపోయి ఎట్లన్నా అని ఇప్పుడు మీరే సపోర్ట్ చేస్తున్నట్టు అన్నమాట కదా. షూర్ హ్యాపీ, గ్లాడ్ టు హియర్ ఆల్ ద థింగ్స్. నిజంగా
respectable in the society. I wish you all my best success and a very good future ahead. Thank you.
Foundation is trying to do. So basically we are here to serve you guys. And you have learned from this course. It's good to hear. Shilpa has already shared her feedback and experiences. So best luck, good luck for you. May you have the bestest of the future. And I actually want to hear from you and I want to learn from you so that we can serve more. As a part of the foundation, we want more candidates to get trained and get the job.
Today I actually experienced a fantastic experience from Shilpa. See, I was really touched the way she expressed her feelings and the experience what she said about. It's very nice to understand you have got such a strength and you have actually come to a place where you can see the future. And I definitely with her full-heartedly, I wish you all to the best of your future. I know you all can achieve. And that's a great opportunity given by HFI. Okay, you should use this. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. I will do that, sir. Now I request Mr. Shastri to speak few words. Claps.
Good morning all. First of all, let me thank you HFI Foundation and People Foundation for giving this program to you. As one quote only I can say is, if you educate a boy, it's only for him. If you educate a girl or a woman, you are educating entire generation. Because who is the first teacher to everybody is mother. Okay? Or sister, elder sister sometimes. So these, they given a good opportunity to you, increase your competence, increase your skill, and try to go in the right. Wish you all the best. Thank you so much.
You are doing the jobs now, but these points will be followed. If you are succeed in jobs, your positions also. This is the my request and good success. Your all the best for your future, and thank you for giving this opportunity. Thank you, madam.
few words.
Thank you, Sana. I sincerely thank Andai chief guest and entire team of People Tree Foundation and all the students with your presence to grace this event. See, I always believe today is your opportunity. Today is your opportunity to build your better tomorrow, right? Today is the opportunity to build your better tomorrow. So already just you have, I think you have already chosen the best opportunity. You have grabbed the opportunity what you got it, and you already you are in the middle of building your careers, right? So I just thank all the students and all the parents who are supported us, who are supported you also, because without the parents.
I'm so happy to see you all here, graduating yourself, and I'm thankful to the People Foundation also, Punai Company, who are sponsoring you people. So utilize this opportunity because many people will not be having this opportunity. So utilize this and become a successful person in your career. God bless you all.
So I'm so happy to see all of you here. Are you guys good doing the course?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I want to loud yes.
Yes,
Okay. So I hope you enjoyed the course and I hope that you will take, this is only a start. Why did Hyundai start this? Because we looked at youth, we looked at people, everybody said, skilling and, providing jobs, that becomes, it's like a trend. Yes, it is a trend because all of us need to work and all of us need to uplift our own selves. Nobody's going to do it for us, right? Yes?
yes.
Okay. So, what we thought is, and when this course was born during the pandemic, we worked with People Tree. We looked at hospitals, we looked at the way people were suffering, and more importantly, we looked at the medical services because the doctors and nurses just couldn't, cope with the pressure. And then we said, what can we do? And then that's how this course was born. So this course is just the beginning. We've just given you an idea of what you can do, how you can help the community, how you can, help yourself. It is only a beginning. We've been running these courses across the country with People Tree Foundation in Maharashtra, Bihar, Jharkhand. Now we are moving to Andhra Pradesh. We'll be also going to UP, West Bengal, Gujarat. So there are many places we'll be talking to students like you. The idea being that we've also run them in Delhi and Haryana, Punjab and Himachal. And everywhere what we've heard from students is that we never knew there are so many things that one can do in the hospital. We never knew there are so many courses other than becoming a doctor and nurse that we can try our luck at, we can be good at. So my further request to you, this graduation today is just the beginning of your life. Today is use this opportunity to look around and see how you can support yourself, how you can grow, right? How you can develop and learn more things. So in Maharashtra, some of the students, they have registered themselves for nursing courses. They have registered themselves for specialized courses. Why will they stand out compared to other students? Because they will have the work experience. So many of them will join after 1 year of work experience, and that counts a lot. You will stand out from other students. So it's my fervent request, make best use of this opportunity and shape your own lives and career. Right? I wish you all the best. Thank you.
Now I call Hina Monica.
శ్రీనగర్ చైతన్య, జ్ఞానగిరి శ్యామ్,
ఓకే
Pawan sir, please do the honor.
అలావత్ మౌలిక, నేనావత్ మంజుల, సరిగ వర్ణ, సరిగ వర్ణ, రెడ్డి అనిత, మహమ్మద్ సలాం, తెలుగు భవత,